I want everybody watching this video to remember this the next time you yell at a truck driver. You'll notice all the dust on the road. There's an asshole in here with a silver Grand Am that was bitching at one of us saying that there's too much dust, and the dumbass left his windows down. Watch what happens next. Fans going on, lift axle's going up. You look in the mirror, you see how much dust I'm kicking up. This guy's gonna hate me. And look, he's standing outside the front. I think he's gonna like this one. Look at the dust in the mirror now. My buddy's trying to get in his car. Oh, poor baby. This concludes our demonstration for today.